Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a haul, and it is a haul from a couple different places, and we're going to just go from this side over, and I'm going to tell you where I got everything from. So we have Ritz crackers, we have almond milk, we have some oat milk extra creamy, and that's going to be for my overnight oats. Rizzy loves these, so I try to get her stuff that she can make really fast and quick. I seen these grand cinnamon rolls with strawberry and cream flavor icing. Never seen them before, so I wanted to try them. I'm trying to be more moderate of what I eat, so I got these mini magnums, which I'm going to put in the freezer right now because they've been in the car for a minute through all the stores I went to. All right, so then I have some Sara Lee honey wheat bread. I got some anchors and some screws. This was like $4 from Walmart. I got this over the door hanger because I needed it for my robes that I got from IKEA, and also some other stuff like towels and stuff. So that's going to go in the bathroom. And then I got some Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice, 2 boxes of that. Some French toast sticks for Rizzy in the morning when she want to make something quick for breakfast. She loves her jalapeno chips. We either get them from here or Walmart, which she loves, and we all love them, and the salt and vinegar. And these right here, these toasted ravioli thingies are really good. If we fry them, we do like a grapeseed oil, like a low, just a little bit in a pot, and grapeseed oil. Check out my Mrs. T's pierogi video on my cooking playlist, and you'll see how I make these, and they're so amazing. And this feta spinach one is really, really good. So I got those from Walmart. These are from Aldi's. Rizzy requested the oatmeal cookies. We all love these oatmeal cookies. They're so good when you dip them in milk. And then I got some Flex Strong kitchen bags. I cannot find my big old box that I had from Sam's, but we need them, so I had to grab them from Walmart. Then I didn't eat this morning, so I ran out and I had got me some snacks, and these Imperial nuts are so good. They didn't have the honey roasted ones that I usually like, so I got the power blend and the protein blend, and these are really good, guys. A great snack to have in a cabinet if you're hungry or you just need to grab something on the go. I love peppermints. I keep these in my nightstand. These ones say soft, but I don't know if they sound hard. I don't know. So I got these, all that from Dollar Tree. And then I got some crinkle fries for the girls. They like to put seasoning on them and sometimes add, like, you know, the taco stuff on them and cheese and all that great stuff. So yeah. Then I got some extra virgin olive oil from Aldi's. I got some Pepperidge Farm raisin cinnamon bread from Walmart. I got some vegetable broth from Walmart, some peppers, and then I got some flaky biscuits, some flaky croissants, and then I have some sweet corn, extra sweet corn. I didn't know it said extra sweet. Then I have a bag of corn, Brussels sprouts, and some mixed veggies. I love mixed veggies. I do it with like a little bit of like vegan butter and grapeseed oil, and I put crushed garlic and thyme, and oh my gosh, and some seasoning, and it's so good over rice, just like that. And then I got whipped topping for when I do my hot cocoa, or if I want to just eat it with some fruit. And then I got a thing of tissue. If you are a Scott person, these are comparable to Scott. Literally, I have been using these for years, and I've shared these on my channel for years. Try it out. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Excuse me. And then I needed winter rugs for the garage area and for the front door area, for when people are delivering stuff or have to come into the front door. I bought 2 of these from Lowe's, and that's my quick haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any questions about anything on this island, leave it below as well, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you are new to my channel and you have not joined my family by subscribing, please do so and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I load a new video and you won't miss out. And I will see you guys later, Gators.